Hi everyone, I'm Hilary, a nursing student at SEGi KL, and today I'm showing you what my day looks like as a nursing student. Let's get started. So my day kicks off at 7 a.m. in the morning. Hold on, I'm still in my pajamas. Let me just change real quick. And I am back! So after getting ready, I checked all my essentials to make sure I don't forget anything. So first, check my uniform. My uniform is always ready. Second, my notes so that I can write everything down. Third would be my stethoscope. And lastly, I think I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, my coffee fix to get my morning ready. And this is where the magic happens, our classroom. Later we'll be in the skill labs practicing nursing techniques. It's hands-on and so engaging. It's lunch break time. Let's go and buy food with me.
Lunch break is my recharge time. My friends and I love talking about what's been going on in our lives recently, and it's a great way to unwind before the afternoon rush.
Afternoons are all about clinical training. We get hands-on practice with mannequins, improving our skills in a controlled setting before working on real patients. It's a great way to build confidence and competence. And that's a wrap on my day as a nursing student. Yes, it is quite challenging, but it's also incredibly fulfilling. So if you're considering nursing, get ready for an adventure that's equal part learning and life-changing.